0 to Professional English Course, a creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role play 6, discussion at shoe shop.
Faris wants to buy a formal shoe. He goes to the shop and talks with the shopkeeper as follows.
Hi.
Hello, yes, tell me what may I do for you?
Yes, I want to buy new shoes.
Okay, I will show you the shoe. But first, tell me what kind of shoes you would like to buy. I mean normal or formal.
Yes, I want to buy formal leather shoes.
Okay, I'll just show you. Sit here. Now see how this one is.
Okay, I try. This shoe is too tight. Do you have a larger size than this?
No, brother, it is not tight actually. You are wearing it for the first time and it is new, that is why it looks tight. When you will wear it every day, it will look fine. By the way, let me show you a bigger size. Please specify your size number.
Yes, my size number is 6.
Okay, try this one.
I am sorry. This is very large. I want a size smaller than this.
Okay, no worries. Try this one.
Wow, wonderful. This is perfectly fitted.
Okay, so do you want this?
No, I don't want this one. I want to buy black shoes. Do you have black shoes of this size?
Yes, we have shoes of every color available. Let me show you a pair of black shoes. Look, here it is.
Yes, this one is perfect. So do one thing. Please pack this one.
Done, sir. Any other services?
Yes, I want to repair this part of my slipper.
Okay, I will do that.
When will it be ready?
It may take some time to get ready, so you'll have to wait for a while.
However, about how long this shoe will be ready?
You may take it within 1 hour.
Okay, thank you. How much total should I pay you?
1,500 INR including repair.
Okay, here is the payment.
Thank you.
Does not matter. I'll come back again after an hour.
Yes, sure.
Thank you so much, Bro Amir.
You are welcome.
For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs or modals, some additional structure of English sentences, 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect, 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding, 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.